Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be our unboxing for Boxy Charm Premium. You guys do not know how excited I am. If you couldn't tell from the thumbnail, if you haven't seen the sneak peeks going into this month, this is going to be one of the most amazing boxes Boxy Charm has done yet. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, don't forget to go ahead and stay tuned. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright everyone, so we're going to be unboxing Boxy Charm Premium. This is a $35 box through Boxy Charm. You can get it as an additional add-on to the base box, or you can also just get it alone by itself, but you actually have to sign up for the base box first, and then you get put onto the wait list to be a part of Boxy Charm Premium. Now, the first time they did a box like this was with Fenty, which was almost about a year ago, and that was the main reason why I signed it for Boxy Premium, hoping that they would be doing another box like this sometime soon in the future. Since then, Boxy Premium really hasn't disappointed me. I've gotten some really great products in Boxy Premium, especially like the Natasha Denona palettes. Like, they've been amazing, and a lot of the times, more than anything, Boxy Premium has always been the better box since it is in the middle, it is the middle tier, but you get 6 full-size products from here, and occasionally they will do collaborations with specific brands. So obviously this month they are doing a collaboration with Norvina from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So look at this box. This is the most prettiest thing ever. It's purple. You know purple is one of my favorite colors. But we got a lot of really great goodies in here. First off is just the palette. But if I undo the palette, they've got all this other stuff in here that's hiding that has this like fun confetti stuff, I don't know, packaging. So let's just go ahead and dive into this box. Now there is no actual card that's in here like there normally is, but I do know the value of this box is supposed to exceed like over like $200 just in general is what the box is supposed to exceed, I believe, because the base box is $125. And I think this one's supposed to be like $175, $200. So just off the bat, the eyeshadow palette that I picked for this month is this right here. This is the ABH Norvina collection. I believe this is volume 3. You also have the option of the purple one. I don't know if that's 2 or if that's 4, but that was the other option you had. Now, I didn't choose that one just because I have a few purple palettes already in my collection, like the Jeffree Star one, the new Michaela one that I just got from Glamlight. So this one really spoke to me because of the color story. If I can get it open, this is what the packaging looks like. It is so pretty. And this palette itself, I believe, retails for $62 on its own. It kind of gives you like, I was trying to say this earlier, like Natasha Denona vibes, just based on like how like the palette's kind of laid out, or like the squares, and how they're like numbered, which is a little bit differently. If you guys can tell, they're numbered. Not trying to give you guys a glare, but that's just how they do these. So that instead of having a name, it's just called A1, A2, A3, A4. Really interesting, really weird why they do that. I have no idea why. It doesn't say what the name of the eyeshadow palettes are. On the back of here, it just kind of just tells me what some of the ingredients are on this. So that's pretty much all you get out of this. But the color story on this is just so beautiful. This just like screams summer. With all the vibrant colors, but also you do have some of those neutrals that are in there, so I cannot wait to use this. I heard the formula of this is amazing, and obviously you guys know I have my ABH palettes in my collection. I definitely have a decent amount of them. I've got the Renaissance, the Modern Renaissance one, I've got the Norvina one, that one's purple already too. I've got the Subculture one, and there's another one that I have. I don't remember. Okay. So I have Modern Renaissance, Norvina, and then I have the Subculture. So these are the 3 ones that I have. For some reason I thought I had another one, but I guess I didn't. Those are the 3 palettes I have. If you guys haven't seen my declutter series, I'm actually in the middle of doing a declutter series. and I went through all of my eyeshadow palettes. It's a lot. Actually, I didn't even count how many eyeshadow palettes I had, but it's a lot, and now I'm adding another one to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that out of the unicorn and put that into its precious drawer that it should be in. So there is that. Now moving on, I think the other item I chose was the tinted brow gel, because you had an option of a few things that you could choose from them, and I chose the tinted brow gel because I've never tried out like a bunch of Anastasia Beverly Hills products. They're probably doing a follow-up video on this, trying out all these products actually in a video on its own and just doing a dedicated ABH so that I can do that, because I don't think I have time right now, especially I already have makeup on my face right now because I just filmed my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing and I tried all this on my face. So there is that. Here is what the brush looks like on the tinted brow gel. So it is a really big brush. I'm not a really big fan of those because I feel like if you don't have big brows, it can get kind of messy. That's why I really like the smaller tapered wands when it comes to the brow gel. But hey, you know what? We'll try it out. That's in chocolate, so I'm unsure if that's going to be my shade. I think it was really hard to choose shades. But you know what? It is what it is. We'll definitely go ahead and give that a go. Again, I don't know price ranges on all this stuff, so I'll definitely put it somewhere here in the video so I can actually tally up what the total value is because there wasn't a card. The next item that is in here are some false lashes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. These are just, it just says falsy lashes, so there's not an actual specific like name, I'm guessing, because they're just like regular false lashes. They just don't have, it just says, nope, don't even know what that says either. So yeah, these are the lashes. And then moving on, we have a loose highlighter. I've never owned any of the loose highlighters by ABH either. So this is the loose highlighter in Vegas. So it's a loose highlighter in Vegas. Go ahead and pop that open. Oh, I remember when these came out because Paige Corin had these and she's like showed how pretty like the packaging was. So these are, I thought this was like the limited edition packaging. Maybe not, but it is what it is. A very, very beautiful color. It is like a champagne-y shade. As you can tell, it's kind of coming off a little bit more on the whiter side, but it's more comparable to how like the lid is, just a little bit more. So there is that. Might as well just take it out of the unicorn. I'm not giving that away. So pretty much everything that's in here I'm keeping. So there is that. So then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Oil as a primer. So, ooh, look at the pretty packaging. Look at that. That is something. So I also recently in the past got the ABH mascara, so I can definitely try that out as well. So it looks like I've got lashes, mascara, brow gel, highlighter. What else? An eyeshadow palette. The only thing I don't think I have, does ABH have a foundation or concealer? Does anyone know that answer? Because honestly, I don't know that answer if they don't. Or if they do or don't. And then, oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I wanted this when this first came out because I believe this came out at the same time of that summer palette they had that was like blue and white striped. I don't remember what the name of that palette is. If I figure it out, I'll put it on the screen for you. But they came out with the Dewy Setting Mist. And I wanted this so bad. The packaging is just so pretty. Obviously, there's not glitter in it. The packaging is just glittery. I thought there was glitter in it when it came out, and that's another thing that kind of drew me through it because I thought it was gonna be like a light, like dewy type of mist that had a little bit of shimmer into it. Actually, I don't know if it does or doesn't. It doesn't say anything. It just says a fine dewy finishing makeup setting spray. That's all it says. It doesn't say anything about there being some type of stuff in it. But you know what? For heaven's sakes, let's just go ahead and try it out and see how that works. Oh, and it smells so good. It kind of smells like a little bit like vanilla, like a vanilla, I don't know. And I don't see, let me grab a mirror really quickly. I don't see any like shimmer on my face. It just looks just very nice, very refreshing. So yeah, there is that setting spray, and the bottle kind of reminds you of like the Max Fix Plus, like how they do that kind of packaging. So I'm excited for that. Everything in here, I just can't even believe. I just can't. I can't believe it. It's amazing. It's so much. Okay, this is a really cool box. I'm excited. So obviously this is the last box for my subscription unboxing for the month of July. So what does that mean? That means the giveaway is in this video as well. So what can you win in the giveaway for July? Well, let me go grab that stuff and let me show you. Alright, so I'm back. So the items that you can win for this month, first just starting off, you guys always know I love giving you guys the bag from Ipsy. So this will be the item I will stuff everything into. And then the items that I gave away from the beginning, you guys, if you guys remember, if you don't remember, it's okay. I'm giving you the Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. So this has an eyeliner in black, a highlighter in champagne, a lip pencil in mauve, and then an eyebrow pencil in coffee brown. Really fun. Reminds you of those pens that you can like click and just keep on switching through. So that was really awesome. Then you have these two items that I swear are overpriced for what they are. But you know what? I'd rather give it away to you guys. The first one is the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. This was priced at $63, which is nuts. I don't even know how that's even a thing. Same thing with this Detox Hair Serum. So this is supposed to like nourish your, it's a nourishing plant scalp treatment. So I've never used anything like this before, but I don't really need something like this in my collection right now at the moment. But this was priced at like $70 something, which is really, really nuts. So there is that. Then the item I'm giving away to you guys as well is going to be this ombre blusher that was sent to me as well, that I just didn't want to open because I already got another blush and another package. So there is that. It is an ombre blush. This is a full size. I don't know how many. This is 9.9 grams, and that's what it says. Net worth. Anyway, or the net weight. So yeah, there is that. And then the other item I'm going to go ahead and give to you guys is going to be this highlighter right here by Sugar Cosmetics. And that is what it looks like as well. So there is that. And so yeah, that is everything that I'm giving away for this month. If you want to enter into this month's giveaway to win these 5 products, then again, don't forget to go ahead and follow all the instructions down below. This giveaway is for US only because it is a little bit more on the heavier side to send. So again, this one's for US only, but don't forget to go ahead and enter into my 400 subscriber giveaway, which is going on right now. That is open to international. Obviously, if I hit my next tier, which is 500, which I'm halfway there already, then we'll do another international giveaway. Again, I appreciate you guys so much. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I post videos 2-3 times a week, or as much as possible. Sometimes I go in like a huge binge where I just sit down and film, and then edit, and then I kind of post a video every other day, just because I have the opportunity to. But if I don't, then I just kind of post 2-3 times a week. But again, I do giveaways 2 to 3 times a month, obviously now, the way that this is going. So I appreciate you guys so much. All I can do is just say thank you. And yeah, let's just keep going on this journey, and let's just keep on growing. So again, I appreciate you guys so much. You know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl SANDRA, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.